Hello and welcome. I'm so grateful you're here because this video is made just for you, someone who might have noticed that no matter where you go, people always seem to be talking about you. You might wonder why this happens or why somehow you always attract so much attention. Today, we're going to dive deep into something powerful and revealing. The impact of being a chosen one. Have you ever felt like you're being observed, analyzed, or even judged without fully understanding why? It's a common experience, especially for those with a unique energy or presence, who draw attention without even trying. Whether it's positive or negative attention, there's often a deeper reason behind it. Stay with me until the end of this video because by the time you're finished watching, you'll not only understand the reason behind all this attention, but you'll also know how to use this power to your advantage without fear or hesitation, living your life with clarity and purpose. Have you ever wondered why your presence has such an effect on people, even when you're not doing anything? Maybe you're just being yourself, yet somehow people are drawn to you. This isn't random, nor is it an accident. It's the result of something far deeper. You are someone who, whether you realize it or not, radiates an energy that attracts attention. It's not about your appearance alone. It's about your essence, your authenticity, and the purpose you carry within you. People feel this energy, even if they can't always put their finger on it. God has plans for you, plans that go beyond what you might fully understand in the present moment. You've been chosen for something bigger, and when you walk in alignment with that divine purpose, you draw attention. People can't help but notice you because they sense that there's something unique, something powerful about you. Do you ever notice how people react when you enter a room? Some seem uncomfortable, while others are simply fascinated. Why does this happen? The reason is simple: you reflect something they aspire to be. When you're walking in your purpose, living authentically, people pick up on that. And even if they don't consciously know what it is, they are drawn to it. You're not just existing in the world, you're emitting an energy that pulls people in. However, this can make others feel uneasy. They may not understand why they're so attracted to your presence, or why it bothers them. But don't take it personally. Their discomfort often comes from seeing something in you that they may not yet see in themselves. That's where the true power of a chosen one lies. You are a reflection of something deeper, and that can stir up all kinds of emotions in others: admiration, envy, curiosity. Maybe you've felt uncomfortable with all the attention you attract. Why are people staring at you? Why are they talking about you? Is there something wrong with you? The truth is, there's nothing wrong with you, quite the opposite. You possess a special energy, one that can't be ignored. But here's the important part. You don't have to be afraid of this attention. In fact, you can learn to use it to your advantage. Accepting that you have this impact is the first step in embracing your true purpose. Instead of hiding from this attention or feeling uneasy about it, recognize it for what it truly is: a reflection of the influence you carry. And this influence isn't something you need to control or fight against. It's simply a sign that you are on the right path. God has placed you in this world with a divine purpose, and this attention, whether good or bad, is a natural part of your journey. You don't have to please everyone. You just need to remain grounded in your purpose and use your presence to inspire and uplift those around you. The first thing you need to do is understand that the attention you receive is not a curse. It's a blessing. When you start to view this attention as an opportunity for growth, both for yourself and those who encounter you, you unlock a new level of power. You are here to make an impact. You are not meant to hide in the shadows or play small. The more you embrace your purpose and live authentically, the more you will inspire others to do the same. And with that inspiration comes even more attention, but this time you'll understand it better and use it to fuel your journey. Remember, it's not about the opinions of others, it's about how you choose to respond to them. The more you stay true to your values and your purpose, the more you will be able to use this attention as a tool for growth, not only for yourself but for the people around you. And always keep in mind that you're never alone in this journey. God is with you, guiding you, protecting you, and giving you the strength to handle the attention and influence you attract. This is all part of His plan for you, and as you continue to walk in alignment with that plan, you will find that your presence can change the world in ways you never imagined. Now that you understand a bit more about why people are so drawn to you, it's time to take the next step. Embrace your light, Own your impact, and use it for the good of those around you. Don't fear the attention you attract. Instead, see it as confirmation that you are living your purpose, and that your presence is needed in this world. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end of this video. I hope this message has resonated with you. If it has, I invite you to subscribe for more insights like this and share this video with someone who might need to hear it too.